Okay, here's our Christmas ham. It is a Sugardale Private Collection ham. And it is called the Beauty Selection. I'm going to show you how I make it. It's smoked and it also has a dry rub on it. So you don't have to do a whole lot to this ham. You just basically have to get it nice and hot. It's not one you have to cook for a long time because it's already pre-cooked and pre-smoked. You just cut the wrapper off and then I'll show you what I do next. Okay, here's our ham. I put it in the roaster. I added liquid because if you don't add liquid to your roaster or your crock pot, whatever you put in them is going to be dried up. And this is our ham. It's been smoked and dry rubbed already by the company, Sugardale, where this was a gift for my husband from the company he works. This is cherry Coca-Cola. I'm going to add basically one can of cherry Coke to my ham. If you don't like sweet hams, turn away right now because this is going to be sweet. Then I will take, this is just a turkey cooking bag, a Reynolds large cooking bag. I like to use this because it makes your ham moister. And I think it helps with the mess in your rotisserie, your roaster pan or oven or whatever you use. And I think it helps with the cleanup a little bit too. And then take either a pair of scissors and make sure to cut a hole in the top. The reason we're cutting a hole in the top is so the steam from the roaster can go up into your ham and keep it juicy. I'm setting the roaster on 350 and we're going to cook this for 30 minutes and then we'll check the internal temperature and we will probe the internal temperature. The best gadget for if you're doing turkey or hams is to get one of these. It has two probes and you click on meat and you click taste and it'll tell you if your internal temperature is proper on your meat and so make sure it's ready and done to eat and safe. It's great for the grill, but I use it all the time when I do hams and turkeys. And it's one of those suggested items, if you're doing a lot of cooking like I do, to make sure to pick up one of those. You want to stay safe. You don't want to have somebody get sick on something you make. Thank you. I hope this helped with how to prepare your Christmas or Easter ham.